Hey guys, so James here back with another video. As you can see, we just did an unboxing of the CM Storm Swift RX. This is the extra large gaming mouse pad. As you can see, it's enough to fit, your keyboard and then your mouse as well, and have plenty of space for that. The reason I got this was because it has the stitched edges on the side. The previous one that I've been using, the edges have actually ended up, fraying, and so that was never, it was never good for just my hand rubbing against it, and it wasn't an enjoyable experience. So I decided to get another extra large, because I do like the extra large, but with the stitched edge. I like it how, the fact that, even though these do kind of bump up, it's, in the corners, there's not much branding on it, and it's just a clean setup. And so that's the reason why I decided to get this. But overall, I think I love the surface. Nothing to really complain much about, but the stitching on the edge is really going to do it for me. It's going to be really great, and it's a lot of grip. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you liked it. Like it if you liked it, dislike if you disliked it. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or any comments about this particular mouse pad or anything. I'll try to get around to answering those for you as soon as I can. Subscribe to see more videos like this in the future, and I will see you guys in the next one.